Okay, so this is where we left off last video. We're creating this function that will fill in the calendar, and let's just make sure that it's being run here. Okay, so what we've done so far is we have the months to fill in, and then the month to fill in is being set right here, and the previous month index is being set right here. So down here, let's make a couple more variables. Let's do let days is equal to document dot get elements by tag name. So I'm going to be selecting all TDs, and then here I'm going to do a loop. Let's just say let I equal 0 if I is less than days dot length. Whoops. Let's just say days I dot inner HTML is equal to I. Let's just see. Now this is going to do some work. Whoops. So I don't know what all this stuff is. This is fine, don't worry about this. Anyway, so it did some stuff here. You can see it put some numbers here, but not exactly what we want. Okay, so there's a couple more variables we have to hold. We want to hold the 3 variables for the previous month, the current month, and the next month. So every time the previous month gets counted, it'll be, at first it'll be 25, then it'll be 26, then 27. So this is going to need a variable to count this. It's going to be a variable to count these main month days, the current month days, 1 to 31st, and then the next month is going to have its own variable as well. So let's just say let current month count is equal to 1. Let previous month count is equal to, okay, so this one's a little bit different. So you have to say month data. Then the month that you want is the previous month index, because that's the index of the previous month. Then the amount of days. So you're going to get how many days are in that month. So the previous month here has 30 days. So you could use that variable and then the current month starting day to determine which number to start at. So here the first number in the whole calendar is 25. Then here it's 30. Then here it's 27. So you can easily calculate that using the amount of days minus the month to fill in dot starting day plus 1. Okay, so that's going to start at, for the first month, it's going to start at, let me reset this, 25. So that's what that's going to do. Okay, and then next month. This could be the same thing. This is an easier one because it just starts at 1 and then it increments by 1 each time. Okay, so this is all the variables we need right now. And so now we have to do something in this loop here. So let me get rid of that. So inside the for loop, we're going to have an if statement here. And here we're going to have an else if. Oops, I want to space that right. And then an else. So this first if is going to be filling current month. This one's going to be filling previous month. And the last one is going to be filling the next month. So the current month is going to be right here, this code. Then inside here is going to be the code that fills in the previous month and then the next month. Okay, so let's fill in this if statement. So you say month to fill in dot starting day is less than or equal to I, and current month count is less than or equal to months to fill in dot amount of days. Okay, so days I dot inner HTML is equal to current month count, and then current month count plus plus. Okay, let's see this. So there's an error here. Let's see what it is. 271. Okay. Let's fill this up as well. If current month count is less than or equal to months to fill in dot amount of days. Okay. This shouldn't be there. Okay, let's see if this fixes it. Okay, so if you look here, it's the first month. The 1 is starting and going down to here. And that's right. So this current month is being set. And this I should probably get rid of it, but it's okay for now. Okay, so now for the previous month. So just, I want to say days I dot class list dot add the color class. And I'm going to do that here as well. So let's see what this is like. Okay, so it's coming along. Now we just have to fill in these days. There's still some styles I need to do here. The borders are white, and so that's a bit of an issue. Okay, but here let's say days I dot okay, let's see what that's like. So 25 to 30. So that's right. And then here, it's basically the same thing. Days I dot, whoops. Okay, so this is looking pretty good right now. I think that's going to be it for this video. There's still a couple more things we have to do. I want to be able to change the month and build the next month. Stuff like that. So we'll do that in the next video.